Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, I mean, if this really is the end of a crescent on like the 4-hour daily, which it looks like it could be, then this will end up continuing back down. And this move up right here potentially is a crescent to this big impulsive move down that we had at non-farm payroll a couple weeks ago, and potentially it could continue down like that. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this big impulsive move down. It looks to me like we could have a wave A. It looks like a possible three-way pullback for wave B. Maybe we're now in like a wave C or maybe some sort of a WXY, however you want to label it. It's not really important. It's probably going to go back up to these highs. So keep an eye out on the 61%, keep an eye on the 78%. If it makes a big dramatic turn at either of those levels, I would definitely take it as a short. And I would definitely continue to have a short bias on like the 4 hour daily time frame until we get some sort of a break of structure to the upside, which we definitely don't have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.